Hi everyone, this is Dr. Krishnan.K. Let's discuss the osteology of ulnar bone today. It is a long bone which is located in the upper limb, especially on the forearm. And as a long bone, it has got three parts: the upper end, shaft, and the lower end. We will be focusing today on the upper end of ulna. So, on seeing it, to mimic the particular shape of this bone on the upper end, I am holding my hand on the right side, where the four fingers represents the upper hood-like part and the thumb represents the forward projecting lip-like part. So let's have a closer look. The upper part, the hood-like appearing part, is actually the olecranon process, and the lip-like anterior projection that you can find here, that is a coronoid process. And apart from these processes, on the lateral aspect of the upper end of ulna, you can see a notch here, a concave notch to articulate with the head of the radius. This is called as the radial notch. Since the head of the radius is articulating here, it's named as the radial notch. And now let's discuss each processes. When we consider the upper process, that is the olecranon process, you can see the different surfaces from different aspects. So let's begin with the upper one. We have the superior surface here, that is the superior surface. Then we have the anterior surface and posterior surface, then the lateral surface and the medial surface. So we have superior, anterior, medial and lateral surfaces. The inferior surface is actually fused with the shaft of the ulna. And when we consider the coronoid process, you can see it is projecting forwards, which is having a superior surface, an anterior surface, then the medial surface and the lateral surface. And on the lateral surface, you can find the radial notch here. So that concludes the surfaces of the olecranon process and the coronoid process. And when you consider the anterior surface of olecranon process and the superior surface of the coronoid process, together they make a small notch here that you can see clearly, which facilitates the articulation of the trochlea of the lower end of humerus. So this is called as the trochlear notch. So that concludes the upper end of humerus. The remaining part we will discuss upon the shaft of ulna in the upcoming video. Thank you.